Hey guys, welcome to Studio 9 and today we will be seeing how to add the cinematic black bars to your videos in Premiere Pro. Before we head into this video, don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell icon so you never miss one of my videos. Now you may have seen in some really cool cinematic shots or movies, there are those black bars which appear on the top and bottom, and over time we have associated them with really well captured and well edited cinematic footage or just movies themselves. So you have stumbled down the path and you want to add those, and today I'll be showing you how to do that. We're going to start off by importing our media that we're going to add. So here I have this footage ready. It's a simple footage of a man standing there and the camera going around. Now you see like, yes, this is a good video. How can I make it look better? And you think, yes, I can add black bars. So I'll be showing you how to do that. It's really a quite simple trick. And this is one of the easiest tricks that I know. Like you can just simply just do it in Premiere Pro, like quite simple. So you're going to go in the effects tab here, or you can go down here. So if you can't find it here, you can just always look somewhere else. Right now you're in the effects tab, so it's not going to show here. But then while you're in editing and you don't want to go all the way to effects tab, you can just like look here and look for effects. So you can always look here, you can click on this double arrow button and click on the effects option. So I'm just going to do it in the effects tab. So what you're going to do is go over here in effects. You can even find them in video effects, like you can find them by yourself, but I prefer typing and getting it. So you'll look for the crop effect. You can see it's under video effects into the transform folder. So what you can do is like you can just simply double click it. You'll just simply add, or you can just actually click it as well. I'm just gonna undo that because then it added the crop option 2 times. So we don't need that. Now the next step is the easiest of them all. All you have to do is change the values here. So in cinematic shots, the black bars are only at the top and bottom, like just at the top here and at the bottom here. So since we know it's at the top and bottom, you're going to go here under crop and you're going to look top and then bottom. So let's keep it, I don't know, 10% maybe? 10%. Now that is a cinematic shot. Let's just quickly see it. It's a good one, but for me personally, I feel like we should make it 15 of my preference. You may choose however you want. Just change the bottom to 15. Now that looks a bit better to me. Though the black bars do look a bit like big and like uncomfortable. If you're in like a dark room and like watching this video, to me this looks a bit better. Now, I will just mention that when you will render this video and when you will export it, what it's going to do is it's going to export the whole video, like this whole thing, including the black bars. The black bars don't just cut off, it's just going to export the whole thing onto it. Also, I should probably mention, for this to have black bars, this footage need to be at the really bottom. I should also mention that to have the bars as black, the footage needs to be at the bottommost layer. Like if you had put a image below that footage, then you will see that image in the background. So I'll just quickly find an image and I'll show you. So here I have an image, so I'm gonna move this up and I'll just place this image at the bottom. So now obviously you can't see the image right now, but to show you I'll just hide this here. And you see the image is very small. So I'll just quickly scale it up. That looks very bad, but still. And now if you unhide it, you see that the crop bars show what is behind, not the black bars. So for this to work and you have more layers, always keep the footage at the bottom to have black bars. And I'll just quickly delete this. So now you'll see once, I'll just quickly show you the whole footage. I'll also render this and save this and like export it and show you. So let me just fast forward this part. So now you can see here we have our footage with black bars, and I'll just click on it and I will play through VLC Media Player that I have. So now you see, if you full screen it, Now it has effectively rendered the whole video, including the black bars, but then what will be visible to you is only what's between black bars. And that was the whole video. I hope you guys like my video. And once again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.